Hi, welcome to How to Draw Symbol. Today we're going to learn how to draw a dump truck. Let's start out by drawing 3 circles like this for the tires. Next, draw a curved L shape and a straight line like this for the bumper. From the bottom, draw a line that follows the curve of the tire, straightens out at the top, and curves back to the top end like so. At the front of the bumper, draw a big rectangle with the top left corner curving inward for the cab. Followed by a trapezoid over here for the window. Next, add one horizontal line here between the first 2 tires, and starting at the top of the bumper, draw a horizontal line going all the way to the back tire. Add 2 short vertical lines above the back tire like this. To start off the truck bed, draw a line at an angle behind the cab. Add a lip on top with some lines like this, followed by a big box shape to close it all out. At the upper right corner, draw a very thin rectangle going straight down for the gate. Lastly, draw 2 rectangles at an angle under the bed with one colored in for the piston. To add a bit more detail, draw some lines like so on the bed. A rounded rectangle in front for the headlights, and a small oval under the window here for the door handle. Between the tires, add a slightly bulging rectangle with 2 vertical lines for the machinery, and some smaller circles in the tires. Now you've got a dump truck.